Hey guys, we've just received a very special review unit. This is one of the first review units we've received in a few months, and this is the Mi Box 4K. It's from Xiaomi, and this device was launched just a few days ago for the price of rupees 3,499. The Mi Box 4K is of course an Android TV powered streamer, and this device plugs into your TV and will allow you to stream 4K Ultra HD content, and it also supports HDR. So you'll be able to stream from a bunch of services. The device runs on Android TV. So you plug this in and you effectively give your television smarts. So let's take a look at what's in the box. But before we go ahead with the unboxing of the Mi Box 4K, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we post a new video. Now the first thing we get when we open the box is of course the Mi Box 4K. This isn't a very large device. As you can see, there is a Mi logo at the top, and this is a flat and very small device. It's just a little bit larger than the palm of my hand, and you can see at the back as well there are a few grips at the bottom of the device. It says Mi Box right here. This is of course the 4K version, and this is a made for India version. Now there are some ports back here, and these are all important ports. HDMI is what will allow you to connect the device to a TV. There is also an audio out port, which is essentially to connect external speakers. There is a USB drive, a USB port, which will be used if you want to connect external hard drives or pen drives or something of the sort. And there is of course the power socket right here. Moving on, we'll take a look at what's inside the box as well. Now, as you can see, this is just a kind of manual and an installation guide. This is a simple enough installation job, so I don't think we're going to need this. We look further in the box. That is the power adapter. This will plug into a power socket, and of course the other end will go into the power socket on the device itself. So you will be able to keep this powered separately. Of course it does require power to run. It will not run without this. You can also see this is an HDMI cable. This will of course connect into the HDMI port right here, and the other end will go into your TV. So this is how the Mi Box is connected to your TV to send the picture and audio signal. Also in the box is the remote. Now this is a similar remote to the ones we've seen on Mi TVs recently. The Mi TV range, also, which includes specifically the Mi TV 4X that was launched recently, this comes with a similar remote. But there is one key difference on the remote over here. Now you can see it's this button right here. This is the app selector button. Now this will allow you to kind of browse through all the apps on the Android TV interface. The Mi TVs also run patch wall, and there is a patch wall button. Of course the Mi Box does not run patch wall, and therefore that button is not present on the remote. So in its place you get the app selector button. There are other buttons as well. Of course the power button, the Google Assistant button. There is the direction pad, the home key, the back key, hotkeys for Netflix and Android Prime Video, and of course the volume buttons. This remote is powered by AAA batteries, which are not included in the box unfortunately. This is of course something we've seen even on the Mi TV range. The remote does not come with batteries in the box. Fortunately I have some batteries at home, so I will be able to get started with this. But that's it for our unboxing of the Mi Box 4K. As you can see, these are the two key components, the remote and the Mi Box itself. You can also see an HDMI cable and a power adapter. That's pretty much what you get in the box. We hope you liked this unboxing of the Mi Box 4K. We will be bringing you our review really soon, and stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for more such videos.